now I'm going to be showing you how to change search engine on Safari. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in order to change that, the first thing you need to do is open your settings. Just go ahead and do that. It's right at the top. Just tap on settings and now scroll all the way down till you find apps. So right at the bottom you can find apps. Just tap there and now you need to navigate to Safari. Safari is right here. Tap there again. And now below search you can find search engine. Just go ahead and tap on search engine and now you select the search engine you would like. So it could be Yahoo, Google, Bing, Ecosia, DuckDuckGo. It's completely your choice. So normally your search engine has selected Google. So if you want a different search engine like Yahoo, all you need to do is tap on it and this will automatically change your search engine. So there you go, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.